Hi everybody, this is Miss Joelle here with your second Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking about organizing your drive, and the reason that I am doing that now at the beginning of the school year is because once your drive gets messy, it can be really overwhelming to organize. So I want to talk a little bit about how to tackle that now. So all you need to do is within your drive, you're on the home page of your drive, you just add some folders. So I'll add one called Tech Tip Tuesdays, and you'll see it pop up right here. And you will likely have a lot of documents down here under files. And all you need to do in order to organize them is once you've created all your folders, you're going to go ahead and drag these documents to where you want them to go. So for example, this my copy of my social justice notes, I want those to go into my teaching folder. So I have two options. I can drag it to here, but then it's going to cause me a bunch more steps, because as you'll see within my teaching folder, I have lots of folders and folders. So like if I wanted this specifically to go to 6th grade, but then I wanted it to go to ELA, you can see I have a lot of different layers of folders. So what I'm going to do to make my life easier is I'm going to go back to the home page. I'm going to drag it over here to the side, and then I'm going to go under teaching. And then you can see when I kind of hover it over, all of my folders inside that folder is going to pop up. So I can place it where I want it to go. And in fact, I'm just going to put it on the home page of the teaching tab. So now you'll see that when I click teaching, it's right down here because I didn't want it in any of those folders. So once you have your drive organized, if you are interested in color coding and using these little emojis like I have, what you need to do is this. So you go to your folder that you want to change, you're going to right click, you're going to click change color, and then you can select whichever color you'd like. If you want a little emoji, all you have to do is type in, I don't know, phone emoji. And you can pick the one that you want. Emojipedia is awesome. So I think I'll do like either the cell phone, or maybe if I don't even want cell phone, I can come up here and search for something else. So maybe I want computer, and I can choose any of these different types of computers. So that's up to you. I am going to do phone because I think the little mobile phone's cute. So I'm going to click that one. I come down here where I can copy and paste. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to come over to my drive. I'm going to right click on the folder, rename, and paste. And so now my Tech Tip Tuesday folder has this little emoji on there. Okay, two more really quick things. One, if you are trying to start a new document, so let's say you just need a blank Google Doc, what you can do to save yourself from some time without having to go into your drive and go into all your folders and find the right folder, all you have to do is click doc.new, and this will open up a blank Google Doc for you. Once you have named this document, so I'm going to call this Tech Tip Tuesdays, click away. Once I've named it, you're going to see this little folder come up, and this is going to let me move it where I want it to go. So I can go ahead and move it here into whichever one of my folders I created, so I can put it in Tech Tip Tuesdays and move here. So now you'll see when I come into my Tech Tip Tuesdays, my new document is there. And you can do this with anything. You can do this with slides.new, excuse me. You can do it with forms.new. You can do it with any Google function. So once you use that trick, you can also use it if somebody shares something with you. So let's say somebody shares a document with you. All you have to do is go inside of that document, and next to the name, you just click the move button. It might even say add to drive. So then you click add to drive, and then you can move it within whichever folder you want it to go to. So hopefully that has been helpful. If you have any other questions, you know where to find me. Have a great week.